Product prioritization made simple with RISE and MoSCoW. Hi guys, welcome to my new video. So today I'm showing you the app I created to calculate the RISE score and also do the MoSCoW prioritization in one app. So if you have followed my previous video, for some of them I was speaking about the RISE score and the MoSCoW methodology, where I was explaining in French how it works and how we can calculate. But when you do this, sometimes it can be really time consuming to calculate everything. So I decided, why not create an app so everything can be gathered in one place and we will save a lot of time, so by calculating the RISE score and also doing the prioritization at the same time. So that's why I created this app, and I will show you how it works. So first of all, if you click on how it works, you have an explanation about how the RISE scoring is working, so how it's calculated, etc. And also same for what is the MoSCoW prioritization. And if I scroll down, we have then the calculator. So let's have a test. So add a new feature name, we'll call it test. Reach, okay, we can increase it to 8. Impact, we can choose. So minimum, low, medium, high, we will put high. Confidence, we'll put it as it is. For the effort, so it starts at 1 day of effort, but for example, the minimum is 0.25 days. So why 0.25 and not 0 or 0.1? It's because when you are doing some development work, you have always like a testing phase, etc. So and also preparation phase. So you have to take it in account into your effort. So it cannot be lower than this, because if you have 1 day which is 8 hours, so a quarter of this will be 2 hours. So it's at least the minimum that time you will spend if you take every people involved. So that's why I put it at 0.25. But for this example, let's say, okay, it will be 3.25. MoSCoW, so it's optional, but we can already categorize this feature if it's a must-have, should-have, could-have, or would-have. So for example, this one, let's say it's a should-have. And then we have here the explanation about how it will be calculated with a review and the result. And we can add our feature. So we have it here. So let's take another example. Test 2. Okay, reach, we don't change. So we can put impact minimum, confidence level. Not 0, 25. Maybe for the reach, I will, yeah, increase it. Efforts, I will put this, and range category and could have. Okay, so we add the feature. So now we already have the RISE score prioritization. So we can see that it's classified or ranked depending on your RISE score. Okay. Then if I want, I can put it in a decrease order, decrease ranking. So let's keep it for this one with 2 examples. Then we can export it in CSV. So this is the example on the CSV, so it's really useful for the reporting. So it is, of course, when you are doing your session, you will have much more than this, but you have all of the information. Then back at our app, we can also search for the feature by name, and we can also clear all of the board. And then if we go to the MoSCoW view, we already have a board where our 2 features are there. So it's fine. And of course, we have like the sum up about the RISE score and the name, and we can also change the category. So for example, this one is in a should have. We want to put it in a won't have, and then it's switching. Or we can put it in no category because we don't want to prioritize it yet with the MoSCoW, and it disappears. So it's in uncategorized. And if we go back to our RISE calculator, it was updated automatically. So of course after we can change if we want to show the uncategorized or not. So we have a filter here, and if we scroll up again, we have some statistic about what we currently have in our view. And then of course we have a light mode, dark mode. So that's pretty much for it. So this app is really useful when you want to save time, because you don't have to calculate everything by hand. You just have to enter the information and you have a full overview about your RISE score, but also if you want to do the MoSCoW prioritization. So it's really useful. You can test it for free. I will put the link into the description. So don't hesitate to test it and give me your feedback. So this app is really useful. So currently I'm using it and I'm happy with it so far. For the next step, I was thinking about some improvement, especially about the reporting. So I will see if I can improve it with some automation reporting, etc., or more detailed reporting. So that's it for me, guys. I hope you like this video. So if you like this video, please don't hesitate to like it. Don't hesitate to comment if you have any comment, any suggestion, any questions. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you are not subscribed. So that's it for me. I wish you a great day. Bye bye.